Stay safe and also take care of your younger siblings. Watch out for these common hacks in public places. When opting for packed food products, always go for what your elders suggest. Because being kids, you may not be able to identify how hygienic they are.
भाई नीचे कुछ तो रखा करो, इसके लिए तुम गंदगी में नीचे बना रहे हो, इसी पे तुम्हारे पैर चल रहे हैं, तो नीचे कुछ रखो इसके अंदर। ऐसे ही करते हो? ये चिक्की तुम्हारी ऐसे ही बनती है?
जमीन के ऊपर बना रहे हो, नीचे
कब से बनाते हो ऐसा ही? भाई मालिक तो आएगा, तुम कारीगर हो, तुम लोग ऐसे ही बनाते हो? नीचे तुमने नीचे क्यों नहीं रखा कुछ? तुमने तो नीचे कुछ रखो, पन्नी वन्नी रखो। अब तुम इसी पे चल रहे हो, तुम
भाई पढ़े लिखे नंबर लाओ,
तुम लोग यही બંધ કરાવવું પડશે। પબ્લિક જોડે ખિલવાડ છે, આ તો કરવું પડશે। મારો વિડીયો ચાલુ છે। બેન તમારું શું કેવું છે આમાં?
આરોગ્ય તંત્રના દરોડો પાડી ના બંધ કરાવી દેવું જોઈએ। આવી રીતે ગંદકીની અંદર ચીક્કી બનાવે છે અને એ ચીક્કી આખા વડોદરા શહેરના નાગરિકોને ખવડાવે છે, એ કેટલા અંશે વ્યાજબી? બંધ કરી દેવું જોઈએ।
સાચી વાત। તમારું શું નામ?
પુષ્પાબેન વાઘેલા।
અતુલભાઈ,
આજ રોજ ફેણીમાં ડોર ટુ ડોર નીકળ્યા ત્યારે એક રહીશ એરિયાની અંદર એક ચીક્કી બનાવવાની ફેક્ટરી, જેની અમે મુલાકાતે ગયા। રીતસર જમીન પર એટલે કે ટાઇલ્સ ઉપર એ લોકો પથ્થર પર ચીક્કી બનાવે છે। ખરેખર આરોગ્ય માટે હાનિકારક છે અને આરોગ્ય ખાતે આને તાત્કાલિક પગલાં લેવા જોઈએ।
ઓકે, શું નામ તમારું?
અતુલ પટેલ।
Watch Jiten Jolly, America's top young scientists, who discovered a gadget to check lead contamination level in water.
Gitanjali Rao is an 11-year-old who saw her parents testing the water in their new home for lead, and she thought there must be a better way. Did I mention she is 11? So she invented a way, and that won her the title of America's top young scientist at this year's 2017 Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge. So let's bring out Gitanjali. Come on out. Gitanjali.
Gitanjali.
Yes.
That's great. All right, so tell us about your award. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
That's so awesome. How did it feel when they called your name? Did you know they were going to call your name?
I did not know they were going to call my name. When I won the Discovery Education 3M Young Scientist Challenge, it was one of the best days of my life. It was amazing to see that 3 months of hard work and just those 2 days leading up to the final event all paid off, and I actually won the challenge. So.
You did great. George has a question. Yeah, just tell us about how this all happened, where your experiment came from.
Yeah, so I have always been interested about the Flint, Michigan water crisis. I was originally inspired by it, and I knew that Flint wasn't the only place with lead-contaminated water, and there were over 5,000 water systems in the U.S. So I created a device on this when I saw my parents testing for lead in their water, and then I realized that it wasn't a reliable process, and I wanted to do something to not only help my parents, but also the residents of Flint and other places like Flint.
How did you realize it wasn't reliable?
Well, it was taking a long time, and like most of them were just test strips, which through background knowledge, I know that they're not very accurate. So
through background knowledge, that's what it was. Tell us how your invention works.
Yeah, so my invention is called Tethys, and Tethys is a Greek goddess of fresh water, and that's why I named my device Tethys, and it includes the core device, which is a big blue box, and several disposable cartridges. So how it works is first you dip your cartridge into water. So for instance, if we were doing a test with lead-contaminated water, the lead molecules in the water would instantly bind to the chloride elements introduced into the nanotubes. So I measured the amount.
She has no notes, by the way. This is just all in her head. You can keep going.
Yeah, so I measured the amount of resistance using my Arduino processor, and I added a Bluetooth extension to send all the data to your mobile phone. And I developed an app in order to find out the lead amounts in your water. So if it's green, it means that your water is safe. If it's yellow or red, that means that it's either slightly contaminated or critical.
You're saving lives.
Yeah,
you are.
Thank you.
So here's my question to you. I mean, what's next for you? What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be an epidemiologist or geneticist.
That's good for the world. That's good for all of us.
Thank you.
So what do you say to kids who are afraid of science?
I would tell them to not be afraid to try. Through experimentation, I found out that not everything can be finished and completely done in one shot. And with the help of my mentor, Dr. Schaefer, I really got through my experimentation and took all like the safety and disposal plans into consideration.
Wow.
So
you got $25,000, by the way, for this prize. What are you going to do with the money?
I can't wait to hear.
With most of my money, I plan to continue evolving my device so that it can be put out into the market and it can be in everyone's hands. With the remaining, I would like to give back to the organizations I volunteer for, such as Children's Kindness Network and and the remaining for like college funds and things like that.
Wow, that's incredible. I hear you want to go to MIT?
Yes, I do want to go to MIT.
I have a feeling you have a really good shot.
And when this goes to market, you can pay for it. Thank you. You're a delight. Thanks for coming in today.
Adding fun to the way you move around.
Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到秀世界。如果你在大街上看到一个人拉了这样一个东西，你一定会认为这就是个行李箱。如果你这样认为，那你就大错特错了。打开后，它会让你目瞪口呆。谁会相信一个小小的酷似行李箱的东西，竟然是个电动3轮车 ？Atto 是由以色列 Moving Life 公司专门为老年人或残障人士设计的代步工具，而它的发明人就是一个小儿麻痹症患者。为了让自己生活得更有尊严，他历经5年的研究和千百次的试验， 终于研制出了全球第一款超折叠自由代步车 Atto。折叠后的 Atto 被缩小至迷你行李箱大小，不但可轻松塞进汽车后备箱，因为它的电池具有安全认证书，也方便在飞机和高铁上携带。整车的重量只有 28.2 公斤，最大可承载100公斤的重量。采用48伏的锂电池，充电4到5个小时可最远行驶16公里，最大时速每小时6.5公里。整车200多个零部件，设计和制造工艺简直太逆天。而它巧妙的快速分体设计，只需要几秒钟就可以完成拆分和合体。Atto 的设计充分体现了犹太人的聪明智慧和精雕细琢的工匠精神。和父母一起自驾游时，有一辆这样的电车，再也不用担心父母走路不方便或者太累。好了，本期的视频就到这里。如果想看更多的视频和手机电影，请关注秀世界。我们下期再见。
A flash mob is unannounced performance in a public place for a brief time. The performers suddenly come from the crowd and after performance they quickly disperse. Here is one such interesting performance.
If I was a ghost, all got along, they probably got me down. Okay, guys, get ready. Singing like the whole city go against me. Every time in the street, I hear
Everyone! Come on!
Thank you for watching this. We shall come up with more interesting, educative and enlightening videos next Sunday. Follow our FB page for more such videos. www.fb.com/Paadashala